guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is my Hinch haul. These are products that Mrs. Hinch has recommended that I have picked up, and I have been splurging the dollar on cleaning supplies. I never thought I would ever be sitting here making a video about cleaning supplies, but I'm addicted. If you don't know who Mrs. Hinch is, I'll pop her details and stuff on screen and also down below in the description box, so definitely go and check her out. She shares cleaning hacks, cleaning tips, cleaning products, how to organise your life, basically how to organise your cleaning stuff, your storage. Really good finds. She always tends to share like things that she's found for like really cheap prices. So if you like that kind of thing, definitely check her out for sure. I wanted to share with you today some of the things that I have picked up that she sort of sold to me, I guess, and share them with you, as she does all stuff on Instagram and I wanted to bring it to the YouTube platform. So I'm going to share with you some of the things that I have picked up that she's recommended, and as I'm talking I will show overlays and stuff and how they work and how you use them, because you don't just need to use them for what their main use is. Does that make sense? So I am just gonna crack on. So the first thing I picked up is Zoflora. All of these things that I'm gonna mention in the videos are from Poundland, 99p store, was a 99p store, it's now a discounted 98p store, Land, all those kind of shops, B&M, Home Bargains, loads of shops. That's where all these things are from. So I will try and remember the prices as I go along. They're very affordable, but I'll just tell you like as I go along. So the first thing I've got is Zoflora. These I got from B&M. My favourite smell at the moment is the warm cinnamon one, which is this one. It just smells really nice. It is a concentrated disinfectant, and I also picked it up in a cranberry and orange fragrance, but I prefer this one, hence why I went back last night after work. Could have come home, started cooking dinner. No, headed to B&M. I picked up 3 more. Yes, I love the cinnamon one. This I use in the shower, in the bottom of the shower at night time, in the bath, in the sink, in the toilet to disinfect it, in the loo brush holder to disinfect it. I use it everywhere, and I probably go through like too much at a time. However, I love it, I'm addicted to it, can't stop using it. So yeah, picked up those and they were £1 each, so that's Zoflora. The next thing that I picked up from B&M, which I picked this up about a week ago, then when I went last night they were all completely gone, and when I went the week before and actually I bought 2 at the time, they're £1 each. When I bought them, it said like like a price awaiting line, you know, like before, because like they've just put it out on the shop before actually putting up a price, and then when I went last night it'd all gone, they'd been filled with something else, so they'd flown off the shelf. It is the pink stuff by the brand Star Drops. This is the Miracle Cleaning Paste, and it's basically just like a multi-purpose cleaning paste. It's a bit like, instead of using disinfectant or like a spray, you use this on like stainless steel stuff. It's really good. I've used the other part of this, the one that is open, I've used the other part of this on different surfaces, and it's made them super shiny. I think it's also meant to help with lime scale, I'm pretty sure, but it is 99% natural ingredients, and it's like non-toxic and all that, so that is that, and it's a really nice paste if you want something to look really super shiny. The next thing that I got from B&M is this, which is the soda crystals. There's a big pack of it. I've never used these before, but these are really good for unclogging drains and that kind of stuff. You can also use it in the washing machine, sink, surfaces, gets rid of like lime scale, grime, any like grossness. Mrs. Hinch always says as well that you can use it in like a vase, you know, when you get your flowers out and it's all like green and gunky. A little bit of that in, mixed in with this, which is the Star Drops white vinegar spray. Works really well. This makes it like react and like fizz and foam up. So yeah, these two together are really good. This was like 60p from B&M, and I also picked up this from B&M, which was about £1. Nothing more than £1 in B&M, pretty sure, but this is also really good for lime scale, so they work really well like together. Sticking with Star Drops, I also picked up 2 more, and these were from one of those like Pound World minus like 50p shops, and these are both by the brand Star Drops. They were 69p each. The first one I got is the Shower Clear Spray. I normally use the Method one, but I saw it was 69p and I was like, I'm gonna give it a go, see if it's as good. It's just sort of like if your shower smears up or something, you can literally just spray it on and get rid of all like the smears and stuff. And then I picked up this again for 69p, and it is the 4-in-1 Pine Disinfectant. It says kills 99.9% of germs, cleans and freshens. This smell reminds me of, if anyone knows, if you know, I will love you forever, Centre Park Swimming, like the changing rooms. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because it's like a piney sort of smell and they're like all subtropical and like, I don't know if that's why, but it just really smells like them. So yeah, I picked this one up, see how it goes as a disinfectant spray. 69p, I couldn't leave it on the shelf. The next bits that I picked up are both from Dettol and sold in B&M. This one and this, so I've got the spray and the wipes. The scent is the pomegranate and lime splash. I hear many people, not just Mrs. Hinch, talk about this. Brummy Mummy of Two raves about it, Louise Pentland raves about it, and I saw it and this was like £2 something, and I think these were £1. I thought, I'm just gonna try it. I'm just gonna try it, see if I like it, see if I like the smell. The smell is pretty nice. Excited to clean. Who even says that? Then the last things that I picked up, I have actually got another one of these, but I leave it in my car, so my car smells all nice, is the Airwick Pure. I got this from Poundland. It was £2. Makes sense in Poundland. This is the mulled wine one. I also picked up the green version of this, which I'm pretty sure is like Christmas tree smell. It's something like that, but I leave that one in my car and I spray my seats and stuff with that just to keep it all smelling good. There's no wet spray either, which I really like. Really nice for in a bathroom. You know, if you spray it doesn't go like all over the toilet seat or like the floor and make the floor really slippy. I really like the smell of it as well. I think it's really nice. It was £2. Wish it was £1, not gonna lie, but I've had this like all over Christmas and I've still got loads left, and I spray the room in it. I'm like, woo! Need to wait for that to go now. That was a clever move, wasn't it? And then oh, it tastes not as good as it smells. And then the last thing that I picked up were these, which were the Airwick. These are limited edition wax melts. My boyfriend's ringing me. Hello? Hello? So the last things that I bought, or thing that I bought, was this, which is the Airwick Wax Melts. This is again in the mulled wine by the fire. Firewood Clementine's mulled wine. I really like the smell of these. I had a wax burner years ago. My friend gave it to me. I had it what do you say? I had it for years, or I've had it for years, and I just found it like a nuisance to use. Like, nothing against her getting it for me because I love it, but I just found it like always messy, and I really wanted to use it all the time, but because it was so messy I just didn't use it at all. And then Mrs. Hinch shared a very good tip, and that was to light the candle underneath when you wanted to obviously like change it, let all the wax on top melt, and then get yourself some cotton pads. I use these ones, like the bigger ones. These are like the baby ones. I get them from Superdrug. I just find that they're the best thing ever. I don't know why you'd buy little round ones when you can get huge ones like this. And then you just pop a couple on top and then blow the candle out first. Whoops. Blow the candle out. Put a couple of the cotton pads on top. You might need more if you get the smaller ones, but like 1 or 2 of these. And then the wax will soak up into the cotton pads, and then you literally just wipe it off and it's all gone, like, and it's just clean. It is the best hack, I think, ever. Not gonna lie. So now I know that, I've started using it like more or less on a daily basis, and I picked up these ones just to give them a go, and I really like these ones. The only thing I don't like is the shape of them, because mine's quite small and round. It sort of like sits a bit like wonky. I don't know how to explain it, but because there's the dip in it, they don't sit in the dip. I don't know how to explain it, but That's my best explanation. But I really like the smell of them, and I know they sell quite a few in Poundland and also at B&M, so I think that's like going to be my go-to place to get some more wax melts. I picked up the mulled wine ones when it was Christmas, and I bought them the same time as the Pure spray, so they've sort of been going together, which has been quite nice. But I'm excited for spring to come in, so to have like all the nice spring scented stuff. But that is everything that I picked up. I would love to know if you are a lover of Mrs. Hinch. Do you follow her? Let me know down below in the comments. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up to let me know, and I will definitely do more if I buy more cleaning stuff and like bulk it up together. Or if you like Best Buy kind of videos, then let me know and I will do some of those, because there's quite a few nice things that I've bought recently that I would love to share with you, but I don't want to do it if you're thinking like boring. Subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you here, become part of the family, part of the furniture. I would love you to stick around. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, leave a very nice comment down below, and I will see you all very soon for my next video.